Hey friends, it's Natalia and welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some decorating for Halloween, some cleaning, and I also have a DIY project. It's going to be some pillow covers. So keep on watching and let's get started. So first I started off in our entryway. I went ahead and put this fabric up on the wall using push pins. It's called Creepy Cloth from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's just a cute, simple little way to decorate the entryway. You look so beautiful. I definitely go for more of a spooky vibe than a scary vibe. Halloween is not my favorite, but I do this mostly for the kids. Honestly, it makes them so happy to just see all the little creepy decorations, and I just love seeing the smile on their faces afterwards. I'm so excited to show you guys this next piece of decor. I want to thank Mapiful for sending me this beautiful map poster. You can choose any place that's special to you anywhere in the world, guys. It could be like where you bought your first home, where you had your honeymoon, where you were raised, and you could actually make this a housewarming gift for someone buying their first home. It's really great. All you have to do is just go on their website, you enter in an address, and then you could choose like what color your map will be, what style, and they even have maps of the stars. So if you met your significant other and the stars aligned, you can make a map to commemorate that moment, which I think is pretty cool. I was able to put this in a frame I got at Michael's, and I put it in my living room close to the entryway. So the place that I decided to make this map of is where my husband and I both met. We met in Miami. My husband was born and raised in Miami, and I was raised in Miami. So we met back in 2002 where we worked together, and I just wanted to make this poster map of this moment because really it's where our story began. And I just love walking into my home and looking down the hall and seeing this and remembering that moment. And I also think it makes a really great conversation piece. So the good news is that I also have a discount code to share with you guys. I will go ahead and link it in my description box, and I'll also put the link to the website. So again, thank you so much, Mapiful, for sponsoring this. I really appreciate it. I love this piece. I think it looks so elegant. I chose the white and the black because I think it goes with every style, and I love that it has like the coordinates on the bottom, and the place that we met is actually right in the center of the map. So I used some command strips to put this on, and I just love it, guys. So make sure you check out their website, and I'll have the information on the description box. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say. So next I started cleaning. This is the boys' bathroom, and this is the one area in our home where I kind of go all out for Halloween. I know the boys love it when they're taking their bath and doing what they need to do, brushing their teeth and stuff at night. They just love looking at all the decorations. And on this particular day, Caleb was kind of fussy, so I decided to wear him so that I could clean and get things done, and he would still be happy being next to Mama. Take you there. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. It would mean so much to me if you would click that subscribe button. You can also click the bell notification button so that you can get notified of when I post new videos. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Alright, so now it's time to decorate the bathroom, and I'm starting off with this little shelf here. I got this little Monsters Live Here sign at TJ Maxx, and I think it's so cute. I love it. I love these little decorative towels I got from the Target Bullseye spot. If you saw my front porch Halloween decor, you'll see that it says the same thing that the little sign outside says, which is "My family is a little baddie." And here's little Caleb. He's fallen asleep, guys. Isn't he so adorable?
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset.
So decorating is definitely a process, and I changed things up a bit here. I wasn't happy with what it was looking like, so I switched the items around, and I think the colors are more balanced now.
I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
And here I'm using this little command hook to put these little lights up. We call them the pumpkin lights. That's what Noah dubbed them last year. He was so happy, and every time he goes to the bathroom, he likes to turn the lights off so that he can have the pumpkin lights on.
Trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby. You won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
So if you've seen my recent decorating videos, you've seen that I've been obsessed with these Bullseye Playground little tiered trays from Target. They are only $5, and I was able to grab all 3 styles this year, and I just love decorating these. It brings joy to my heart.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Alright, so next is the DIY pillow covers that I made using these bar towels from the Target Bullseye spot. It's $3 for a pack of 2, and I also got some hook and loop from the Dollar Tree, and then a glue gun with some glue sticks, because that's all you need, guys.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure.
Alright, so here I'm measuring them so that you guys can see they are approximately 18 by 18 in size. Now, both of the towels are not going to be exactly the same size, so the first step would be to iron them.
Got it wrong.
So even though they're not the same size, you can stretch one layer over the other to make it fit better, and you kind of have to just go and run your fingers through all the sides and line them up.
So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head.
So before you begin gluing, make sure that the prints are facing the right side up. That way your pillow won't come out inside out or crooked or just not in the right direction. So I wanted to make this as square as possible, so I went ahead and lined up the top as best as I could right under the little seam, because that's how it fit the best with this particular towel.
And heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song, they sang it loud. And I still remember parts of it, and the yellow glorious were lit. Won't you be my guide and let me follow? Can I hold your hand for old time's sake?
So line it up the best that you can, but don't worry, even if it's not perfect, once you put your pillow insert in, you will see that you can't tell.
I guess it's fate. Now all is in our hands. All is in our
So the Velcro has adhesive on both sides, so I peeled that off and put the Velcro down where I wanted it, and then after that I used a glue gun to permanently glue it down.
all is in our hands.
And the last step is to put your pillow insert in. I use feather pillows because I love the way that they shape up once you fluff them up. And I just loved how easy this was to just Velcro in. It took me about 5 minutes or so to make one, and it was under $5, so it was a great deal. And here I'm switching out my garland from my pumpkin garland to my little spider web garland.
66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, play songs on the radio.
I love this little wreath that I got at the Target Bullseye section. It matches the little tree that I put in the bathroom. I used a clear command hook to put it on.
Being with you is like being on the rodeo.
And here I am making the couch. So I'm fluffing up all of my cushions, and I'm so excited to put these new pillows on my couch.
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Be with you is like being
One of the things that I really loved about these pillows is the fact that they are reversible. So depending on my mood, I will switch them around, and they just look great either way. If you're enjoying this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and stick around till the very end so that you can see the kids' reactions. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do you like it? And look over here where the sink is. Do you like it? Is it cute? Do you like them?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
The spider and the ghost and the pumpkin and the pumpkin spider.
You like all of it?
Yeah.
And look over here. Look over here where you wash your hands.
And I like this pumpkin.
Pumpkin towel?
But look, he's broken.
No, he's not broken. He's just got funny legs. Do you like it, Caleb? Do you like it? Do you like it? You're just too sleepy.